Kind of scared here. Whew. More scared to touch this plug anyway. Whew, this thing's warm. Ah, it's hot. It's pretty black. Okay, that's burning the finger. Yeah. Woo, shit. Woo. Woo. Okay. That's a wee little dirty. I'd run some flush in there. Engine's got a little discoloration inside. You can see that or not. Top part of the plug hole. Inside of it, just barely. Out goes the royal. And in goes that. Okay. Let's just push some of that out. I gotta put this down for a second. Oh, yeah. Okay, crap. Okay. I'll put the phone down for a second. Alright, that's open. Ooh. Ain't no good. Ain't no good at all. In there, bring some of that old out. I can hear it dripping. Some more in there. No, she's starting to come clean. Ah! Wind. This engine needs a bath. Oh, this engine needs a bath. What in God's name? Holy crap, woman. Wow. I'll put a little bit more in there, get some more of that out. Oh, that almost went badly. It's a little on the dirty side. There's trying to use an oil, new oil to help flush the rest of the old stuff out. It's still coming out dirty. Yeah, do me a favor, while you're up there, pour a little bit more of the quart of oil that's up there into this to try and, you know, flush some more of this out. Trying to get it to where it starts coming out a little more clear, and it's really not doing it.
We win.
Well, just put just probably about 3 or 4 capfuls or so worth in. You know, just enough to start getting the flow going again.
Got the flow going yet?
Yep, flow's going. It's starting to clean up a little bit. Starting to. Yeah, now she's looking like she should be. It's looking like it's supposed to now. Almost. Still got a little bit of a dark tint to it. Flex pipe on this thing is a little on the wore out side. On the exhaust, that is.
Damn.
You know, I'd be scared to know what it'd look like on this plug if there was a magnet on here. Oil filter, where are you at? Where's it? Oh, there it is. Found it.
It might be in a pain in the ass spot.
It's not bad. I mean, it's not in the greatest position in the world, but it's not in a horrible position, I should say. It's getting it off is going to be the fun part. Okay. You gonna fight me? Ow. Come on. See if you can't break that thing loose.
That's what's that.
Yeah, it's right there. Problem is I can't get good enough grip on it to break it loose.
I can't get enough grip on it. I got oil filter in some Jeep over there.
Well, it's a tight fit. I mean, not a tight fit, but a... Yes. Do you have a small one?
My hand's just sliding on it too. Maybe it's small enough for that, I don't know.
If not, there's always a screwdriver. Come on. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Wow, this thing's tight. Come on.
I don't know if it goes small enough.
Oh, that's a big maybe. That is a giant maybe.
Well, the one I got with me, the other one's done at the house.
Oh, that's fine.
And it's the adjustable kind.
Ooh, yeah. Nope, too big. It's slow. It's slowly breaking loose. Pause you for a second. Okay. It's broke loose. Sort of. Slowly. Come on. Come on. See you moving. Oh, sweating here. Oh! I've moved. What in God? Okay, that's new.
You can probably adjust them when you need them.
Yeah, I kind of think I loosened it. Screw this. This motor's still hot. I am using the tool to do this. You need to give me one of these.
Oh, I don't even remember where in the hell I bought those from. She ain't wanting you these.
That stupid thing off.
What?
That filter. It did not want to come loose. Yeah. No idea.
No, that's what I just noticed. It's like, huh?
There we go. And here in a minute, I'm going to mark down the date and all that crap on that filter. So this way we know when it's done. And the mileage on it, good crap. All right. I'm going to start filling this thing up.
Somebody's already bent that right there.
Yeah, I noticed that a little bit ago.
Take the first wash and throw that shit out of it.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me. Alright. If I remember correctly, specs on this car call for about a gallon of oil, which is what's in here. If I remember correctly.
I think so. I ain't gonna show it to it.
You think I'm going to? It's only a little 2.0. You got a funnel? Because I don't. And I'm not trying to make a mess here. Is that thing clean or is it dirty as can be?
It ain't too bad.
Oh, yeah, it is. What are you talking about? Okay. that sucker out.
That's why I've seen some of them.
I'm trying to get a nice clean oil change in this thing, not flushing in the dirt.
I've seen some of them that'd be caked with the shit.
Oh yeah, you won't see me using that. I'd be going and buying a new one at that rate.
See, I try to keep this one at least somewhat.
That's a bit better.
Cleaned out.
Now, yeah, you might want to hold on to that. Almost got it all in there. Almost. All right. Go ahead and put the lid on that, and I'm gonna start her up and get the oil filter filled up.
Yeah, and get your glasses off the...
Now, I was gonna say it's gonna knock for a split second until that oil gets to the top end, but after that it'll quit. Oh crap! Hey, keys. Let's try this again. All right. Well, that died down quick. I didn't stay up in the RPM very long like it used to. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this thing off the ramps. Get the pan out from underneath it. Oil pan. You got it? Almost. Check the oil. A bit of oil to it. Let's see what happened. Can't tell. Alright, flashlight, don't fail me. I think we're halfway up the safe zone. I think. Honest to God, I cannot see the oil.
Yeah, AC filter's a little bit better on the Jeep.
It's so freaking clean, I can't see the oil line. I seriously cannot see. By the way, that's the shit that came out of it. It took almost a quarter of a quart of fresh oil to flush the rest of that crap out of the engine. It was dirty.
Damn. I would say so.
I can't tell.
Let me see.
So,
It's too freaking clean. I cannot see it.
Is it even yeah, it's registering, but
Yeah, it's registering. It's just that clean.
hell yeah.
A whole lot smoother.
Yeah.
Do what?
The vibration should be better.
You mean less of it? All right, now just okay. It's on the dipstick, but I cannot tell for some God only knows reason. So you got a little over a gallon of oil in the engine. So I know you're in the safe. I just can't tell where. The oil is too freaking clean. By the way, there's another good jug of oil right there.
Okay.
Take this and clean that. Okay, wasn't trying to run you over. Take this and clean it off a little bit. Helps if you grab the right one. So. You gonna double check it again?
Mm-hmm. Sorry, forced to have it.
Yeah, not a problem.
Right about in
Okay. Some in that rough area.
there. Yeah, which is reading low.
You mean minimum is right here. This dot
Okay.
here. This is max. This is
Okay.
minimum. This is the safe zone.
So it's in the safe zone.
Yeah.
So that means I got about 2.5 quarts extra.
Yep. You got plenty. So. All right. See.
Yeah.
And there she comes. Okay, she's driving faster than usual. With a smile on the face. That never gets old. I didn't hear a word you said. That's a good thing. Oh yeah, I forgot to take that other.
Now you can turn that damn thing off.
Yeah. Definitely more peppy in the step.
Uh-huh. Couldn't you tell? Whee!
Yeah, I
had to hurry up and
noticed.
slow down.
I noticed you were kind of flying over there. This did. That flushed it. That went in it. And that's what came out of it. And that's it. And, well, you saw how they reacted.